Hi there guys, it's Coach Mary. Today we're going to talk about, no, we're not going to talk about, I'm guiding you on my, I'm gonna guide you on my makeup. I'm using the pink from BYS. Okay. Lagay mo lang yan sa eye pocket, sa iyong eyelid. After that, okay, I'm going to use my BYS. Oops, okay, this is the brown part. Okay, the brown palette, lagay mo lang siya above your eyelid. Okay, so it will make a shadow effect. Parang meron siyang konting magkaroon ng depth yung eyes mo. Okay, so it's a Madonna style makeup. After that, I'm going to use the eyeshadow. So yan, medyo gagawin kong strong yung aking eyebrow because pag sa camera, kailangan yung eyebrow mo is medyo strong yung kanyang color, okay? Otherwise, you look tired if you don't have eyebrow. Diba napansin nyo yan guys? Pag sa babae wala siya halos eyebrow, mukha siyang pagod, tsaka puyat. So sabi nga nila, life is kilay. Okay, and then after that, okay, yung black part ng BYS eyeshadow ko, that's the one I'm using for my eyeliner, alright? So hindi ako masyadong mascara if it's not formal. If it's everyday work, yan yun. I'm using Maybelline number 5. Okay, it keeps my lips plumpy. Okay, if it's daytime, maganda yung mga orange, pink lipstick. Pag nighttime, mas maganda yung dark. Pero if you're a little bit chubby, I don't recommend sobrang pink na lipstick. So, opposite tayo. If you're a little bit slim, maganda yung medyo tomato colored lips. Okay, I'm using the Ever Bilena. Okay, it's a lip and cheek tint. Okay, I'd rather have parang shiny cheeks. Yan yung finishing ko para sa aking makeup. Alright, that's it. Okay, so get ready. Stay beautiful everyone. Bye for now. Coach Mary here.